How to manage your memberships and subscriptions on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Amazon shopping app. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go down and click on your profile icon right here, as you can see. Now after you click on it, all what you have to do is so simple. Just scroll down until you find your account option right here and swipe right until you find your memberships and subscription right here. As you can see, click on it, and now as you can see, you will be able now to manage your memberships and subscriptions just from here easily and fast. If this video was helpful for you, and I hope so, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.